For you, Dad. I got one. Yo, I'm going in. All I do is win. I got your girlfriend. Now she about to bend. I'm gonna make her mine. After this song, she gonna be with me all night long. It ain't my fault. You know that I'm a G. I take your girl from you and sell her in the streets. I make some money just for you to see. A nigga like me growing up Ella Beach. I'm such a sight to see. I put it on for me. You think I'm lucky, but I think it's meant to be. Now baby, let's end, or better yet begin. I don't mean to sin, but I'm going in, cuz I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in, and I'ma go. Bitch, I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in. Hey, first off, you know what it is if you heard deep. Making hoes come over when you're choosing up or choosing feet. Yeah, they wanna get with me, they wanna get out their key. I messed up, pops, but it's all good. I'ma still do me. I'ma still do me. You know what I mean? That's just a little something, something. Love you, Dad.